We're going to start with the first exercise is drawing nice round balanced circles. This is a great warm-up exercise for your joints, for your muscle, for your eyesight and your hand coordination. So how I like to do it is kind of ghost it in the air a little bit and then go over. The way you don't want to do is draw bit by bit by bit. You just make a nice swooshy movement to draw your big circles. Also make sure you use your shoulder joint rather than wrist and you'll be good to go. In second exercise, draw 2 spots anywhere in a page. Now try to draw a simple straight line connecting those dots. It is a good idea just to ghost it first to see how they're going to meet and then try as pinpoint as possible, connect them together. It is not as easy as it looks. I find this angle really tricky and it takes me a long time, so this is the result I have at this angle. I decided to take it back and draw again. With a pencil, drawing with pencil, you don't delete, you don't erase. In digital, I would encourage you just not to erase as well. I just erase that for the purpose of this video, but it's good to see where you're struggling, which angles, so you can practice them over again. Exercise number 3, ellipses, and here you have the choice. You can either draw your supporting line first of all and build that ellipse on top of it, or just go freehand without it. Remember that ellipse is always symmetrical, so you have to make it as equal on each side as possible. Exercise number 4, and we are drawing infinity sign. Try to make it nice and equal on both sides. Try to make it smooth and enjoy just warming up your muscles. Exercise number 5, which I called bamboo forest. So aim of the game is to keep our line as straight as possible, and we are trying not to touch the lines. So once you drew a few lines together, you are sticking another line in between and try not to touch either of the sides. This is a great exercise for eye-hand coordination and it will train you over time. And you can make that exercise either digitally or with pencil or with your ink liner or any tool you like, really. I hope you find it useful. Please let me know which one's your favorite and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!